Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a resources page to your website. This resources page will link to various articles within your site, and you can continue to create new articles and update your resources page with new links. Having a resources page or area on your website will help to establish yourself as an industry expert. It gives visitors a reason to visit your website often and lets Google know your website is relevant and up to date. All of this helps to enhance your SEO. So we're logged into the website builder right now, and we're going to create a new web page. So we're going to click Manage Pages on the top, and then click Add New Page. So we're going to choose to add a blank page, click Add Page to Menu, and we'll call this page title Resources. And then click Add Page to Menu. So we're going to come back to this page later. Now you can periodically create new pages with articles on topics that are useful and relevant for your industry. Each page should contain a single article. For example, let's say I own a baking and cookware store. I may want to create articles for tips about choosing the right bakeware for your recipes. So we'll go back to Start. We'll click on Manage Pages again. And now let's add a new page. And this page is going to be for an article. For example, I'll create a page called Silicone versus Parchment Paper for Your Christmas Cookies. I'll choose a blank page. I'll add the page to menu, and I'll add that page title. Now you can go ahead and add your post content. So I'm going to click to add a section. You can look at the different layouts. I'll start by adding a text section. I'll choose this layout here. And now you can go ahead and customize this text with your content for your article. After you've added the content for this page, you may want to hide this article page from your site menu. So you see it's listed right here. If I don't want it to show there, I'm going to go back. I'm going to click Manage Pages. And then for this page, I'll click Edit, and I'll click Hide from Menu. Now I'm going to go back to the resources page that I created earlier in this video. Click on it here, and we're going to click Add Section. Now what we're going to do is add a list section. So that's this one right here. I'll go ahead and choose this layout. And now for each article that I create, I can link it to one list item. So first I'll change the title here. So let's say for this first item, I want to link it to the article I just created. You can click right on the list item and edit it. So you'll see that I clicked right here to edit, but you can also edit on the left. You can toggle anything off. For example, I toggled off the subtitle. And under description, this is where I'm going to add an excerpt or a summary of the article. You want to make sure that you include relevant keywords for the article and for your industry. For example, the excerpt could be, when it comes to holiday baking, silicone mats can be the most cost-effective option for you. Now for each list item excerpt, you want to add a call to action with another keyword. For example, click to see the pros and cons of using silicone baking mats instead of parchment paper. Now we're going to link this to the article that we've created. So on the left, I'll highlight that text. I'll click to link to. We're going to click Page. And now we're going to look for the page I created. which is hidden from my site menu right now, silicone or parchment paper for your holiday cookies, and then I'll click Save. Now you can also link the article to this list item through the button. So you'll see there's a button here, it's toggled on. Right now it says Read More, so I'm going to change that label. And then under that label, under Button, we'll click to add the link. So again, I'll click Page. This is the page I created. And then I'll click Save. So right now I have the placeholder media for this section. If you have a featured image for this article, make sure you upload it. Just click here, click Select from Files. You can click Upload File to upload it to your file manager, and then select it and click Save. Right now I don't have an image, so I'll just leave that as it is. Now remember to frequently create new articles and add the links on your resources page as you go. If you want to add more list items to this list, you'll see on the left, once you've clicked on this section, you'll see all of the list items. Right now there are 3, so after you've updated these, you might want to add more by clicking Add List Item. It will add it to the bottom of the list, so if you want to make the new list items appear at the top, to reorder the list items, right now it's clicked right on this list item, but I'll click off of it onto this list section. I'll first give it a title actually so you can see this. I called it Latest Article just so you can see for this tutorial. So right now you'll see it's right here. Click and drag on the left, and now it's at the top. So every time you make changes for your website, to make them go live, click Publish on the top right corner. By creating a resources page and linking to articles frequently, you'll create many internal backlinks to let Google and search engines know that your website is informative. Plus, when you consistently create new articles and pages within your site, it keeps your website fresh and updated. This establishes you as an expert in your industry, it attracts new site visitors, and gets your website viewed favorably as up-to-date by Google. So that's it for this video. We hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.